Good morning, kids. Today we are going to study environmental studies looking around. Let us start with chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. Nandu wakes up. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. Few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunk. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. So kids, do you know, in this chapter we are going to study about Nandu. Who is Nandu? Nandu is a baby elephant. He is very cute. When he was sleeping and he woke up, opened his eyes, after that few seconds took to understand where he was. Then he blinked his eyes sometimes and found his Amma there. Who is Amma, kids? Yes, Amma is mother's mother. We also call her Nani. Okay, great. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. So he was confused, right? When he woke up, he thought he is in grey forest, but actually those were the legs and trunks of his family members. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpet made a loud sound. Nanima is the oldest in this herd of the elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. So it was very hot in the forest and Nanima made a loud sound. She was the oldest member of the herd. Herd means group of elephants, okay? When she started moving in jungle, everyone followed her because she was the oldest member of the group. Okay. Now, do you know that an elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a day? Yes, 100 kg of leaves and twigs. They are eaten by elephant. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. The elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. As you know, elephants live in forest and it is very hot. So, mud helps them to keep themselves cool. Also, although their size is very big, but they do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours. Okay. Their big ears also work like fans. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. So they move their ears to keep themselves cool. Okay, they act like a fan. Okay. Now, let us discuss the lifestyle of elephants that we had discussed just now. Okay, first one is sleep for only 2 to 3 hours. They live in a group. They eat more than 100 kg of twigs and leaves in a day. They love to play with mud and water. Also, kids, they use their ears to keep themselves cool. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. The mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. So, when they reach in the jungle, they feel themselves safe and spread out. Each member eat their favorite food. And after eating fruit, what they do? They move towards water. I have just told you, elephants love to play with mud and water. So they enjoy there a lot. Fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tails. He thought, I better not to go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Now, Nandu is very much afraid going in the water because his cousin may fall on him. Right? So, what happened? His Nani pushed him towards the water. Okay? Amma gently pushed the Nandu towards the water as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. So how elephants were enjoying? They were throwing water on each other and they all were enjoying a lot. How many of you love to play with water? Yes, maximum of us, right? Great. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. These animal groups are called herds. As just I told you that herd means group of animals. You can say herd of elephant means group of elephants. Okay. Animals in herds usually move around together searching for food. Do you know what is the benefit of moving in herd? First of all, they feel safe. They can search for food easily. They can move with each other. And also, it protects them from enemies. Okay? Let us see the qualities of herd of elephants. First quality is It is mainly consist of females and baby elephants. It is headed by oldest female of group, or you can say oldest female of the group is the leader of that herd. Usually it is consist of 10 to 12 members in the group, and male members or male elephants live till they are 14 to 15 years. Now, kids, it's time to solve some riddles. Are you ready? Come on, let's start. The basket is only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. Can you tell me which animal is this? Absolutely correct. It is snake. Wow, clap for yourself. Next one, come on. Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Now can you tell me which animal do meow? Yes, it is cat. Wow, you all are so intelligent. So, this one seems little bit difficult. Are you ready? Okay, you have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horse's shoes to my hooves? Yes, it was simple. That is horses. Okay, great. Next one. You see me in the circus dancing and jumping through the rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. Yes, it is bear. We all enjoy seeing bear in the circus dancing and enjoying. But we don't know how painful it is for them to do that. Next one. They make us dance, dance and dance, even if we don't want to, or we are in pain. That too with an empty stomach. So, yes, as you can see in the picture, these are monkeys, right? You must have seen monkeys dancing in nearby your areas also, but again it is very painful for them. So kids, we all must develop sensitivity towards our animals. Gutagu, Gutagu, do you know people specially call out to me to feed me with grain? Yes, which animal do eat grain? Absolutely correct. It is pigeon. Wow, great. So kids, this was your chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. So I hope you must have enjoyed it and learnt a lesson not to harm animals. Okay, bye bye.